And we're back with another DGP Diecast Grand Prix unboxing, and this episode is with a GMC Hummer EV in green. So let's get to it. Popped open right away. If you guys are fans of Hummers, please let me know. Cool skateboard in the back. Was not expecting that. I didn't even see that. Black interior. I really like this like see-through black here. In the front as well. And they painted the lights. You know how I feel about the lights, so great job on that, Hot Wheels. I do like that green. GMC Hummer EV. The open top. Tires, the spin test. A little loose, but not too bad. Nice spin test there. Front's actually even better. It looks like this is like a see-through piece up here almost. The like black piece there that like almost looks like a hood scoop, kind of. Let's look at the back. Great job with the lights. Hummer. Logo on the back. GMC Hummer EV. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I think it looks good. I like the green. It's a nice truck. EV, electric vehicle. I love the skateboard in the back. I feel like you gotta get an extra point for that. And they painted the lights. I mean, this is what we're looking for as far as quality from Hot Wheels. Is the green my favorite color? No, it's not. But it's a nice green. And it's a nice like candy, sparkly paint. And they painted the lights. Put nice quality logos on it. So they definitely get points. Gray bottom. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like this one. If you like the color, if you don't like the color. If you like that truck, how do you feel about a Hummer being an electric vehicle versus gas? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. GMC Hummer EV. Skateboard in the back. Black interior. Well guys, thanks for watching another episode. The car's out of here. Thanks for watching another unboxing here at the Diecast Grand Prix. We appreciate you guys watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys like these short videos, if you like longer videos, if you want me to do unboxings with more cars, or if you like this short form one car unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, that's the GMC Hummer EV.